At 2:17 a.m., our monitoring system flagged a critical network outage. Every alert channel exploded. Engineers were paged. Dashboards were read across the board. But when we checked the data center, nothing was down. If you work in IT or networking, you would have probably seen days before. An alert comes in marked critical, and everyone panics. This video is about why AI is great at detecting issues, but why engineers are still responsible for deciding what actually matters. Modern networks generate huge amounts of data. AI monitoring systems analyze logs, metrics, and patterns in real time. They are excellent at spotting anomalies, sudden drops in traffic, unreachable services, or device restarts. In this case, AI detected multiple services going offline and flagged it as a critical outage. The alert looked serious. Multiple systems showed downtime. But instead of immediately restarting devices or rolling back configurations, the engineer paused and verified the context. They checked system logs, reviewed change records, and confirmed the maintenance schedule. That's when the real cause became clear. The outage was actually part of a scheduled maintenance window. Services were intentionally taken offline, exactly as planned. AI did its job by detecting the change. The engineer did their job by understanding why it happened. This is perfect of why AI can't replace network engineers. AI sees patterns. Humans understand intent, risk, and business impact. Without human verification, this alert could have triggered unnecessary escalations, rollbacks, or panic. Strong engineers don't react blindly to alerts. They stay calm, verify context, and make decisions based on facts, not noise. AI alerts fast. Engineers decide wisely. If you're learning networking or working in IT, this mindset matters more than any single tool. Subscribe for real-world troubleshooting stories where AI supports, but humans stay in control. Thanks for watching, and I would see you on the next.